The iPhone 15 Pro without a doubt is a remarkable smartphone. The design is nothing short of stunning. Apple has carefully refined and improved its aesthetics, giving it a sleek and modern look. The titanium frame not only adds strength, but also shaves off some weight, making it lighter and more comfortable to hold. The 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED screen is a visual treat. The first thing you'll notice is the vibrant and true-to-life colors. Whether you're scrolling through your social media feed, watching videos, or viewing photos, everything comes to life with stunning clarity and rich color reproduction. One of the standout features of this display is the ProMotion technology, which dynamically adjusts the refresh rate between 1 Hz and 120 Hz. This not only ensures a smoother and more responsive user experience, but also contributes to power efficiency. The screen also features a dynamic island digital cutout, which has become a signature element of Apple's design. It is protected with ceramic shield and IP68 dust and water-resistant certification. Under the hood, this phone is a performance beast. The A17 Pro chipset is the driving force behind this powerhouse. It's not just an incremental upgrade, it's a significant step forward in processing power. Whether you're multitasking, playing graphics-intensive games, or running demanding apps, the iPhone 15 Pro handles it all with grace. The camera system is another standout feature. Even though it doesn't have the 5x optical zoom of the Pro Max, it doesn't disappoint. The 48-megapixel main camera and the 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens capture photos and videos that are incredibly vivid and sharp. The addition of image processing tricks takes your photography game to the next level. Portrait shots are more impressive, and you can even edit the depth of field after taking the shot. Plus, the front-facing TrueDepth camera ensures you look your best in selfies and video calls. One of the most awaited changes is the introduction of the USB-C port. It's a game changer for those who crave versatility and fast data transfer. Battery life is robust, and with the new 80% charge limit feature, you can expect your battery to stay healthy for longer. In a nutshell, the iPhone 15 Pro is a smartphone that combines beauty, power, and innovation in one sleek package. It's a top contender in the world of smartphones, and if you're considering an upgrade, it should be at the top of your list.